In this lesson, we begin to explore conditions or conditional sentences. A conditional sentence is composed of two parts, a kind of if clause and a then clause. If so-and-so, then such and such. We call the if clause the protasis, sometimes the protasis. The then clause is the apodosis, sometimes known as the apodosis. Now, there are four types of conditional sentences in Greek. We're really only going to explore three because there are three main ones for use in the New Testament. The first one that we'll look at in this lesson is known as the first class condition or the first class conditional sentence. In this kind of sentence, the protasis is used to express something that is regarded by the author to be true, or at least it is presented to be true by the author. So, for example, if they persecuted me, then they will persecute you. If they persecuted me is the protasis in which Jesus assumes, of course, I'm presenting this as being true. They do persecute me. If they persecuted me, then they'll persecute you. So how do we form these first-class conditions? Well, they're fairly straightforward in Greek. First, in the protasis, we will see this particle a, or I, which means if, plus any tense form in the indicative mood. So the protasis will consist of a plus a verb from the indicative mood. The apodosis can find a verb of any mood and any tense, and if it's negated, it will use the particle u. So that's quite straightforward. The other conditions are a little more complicated in their construction, and we will consider those in the next lesson. But for now, the main thing to latch on to is what is the difference between the protasis and the apodosis, and what is the meaning of a first-class condition. And it is used to express some sort of truth claim in the protasis. It's assumed to be true, and then followed by an apodosis. If they persecuted me, they will persecute you.